Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm from Texas. I joined LadyBoss back in August of 2017, and so far in this journey, since I started 8 months ago, I have lost 35 pounds. But not only that, the most important thing that I've gained from this program is I have so much more confidence about myself, and I love myself probably more than I ever have before, and it has totally just changed my life. When I signed up back in August, I did the lifetime membership, and with any membership, it comes with a trainer, which has recipes and it has weekly meal plan and grocery list. So everything is all set out for you, and all you have to do is you just follow it. And I've tried so many recipes, and they're all really good. And then another one of my favorite things about the trainer is the workouts. It gives you workouts that you can do every single day, and it comes with tutorial videos. So if you don't know how to do a certain machine at the gym, it has a tutorial video of how to do it. Before I joined LadyBoss, I was scared of the weight section. All I did was cardio because I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what muscle groups to work. I didn't know what to do on the machines. I just didn't have a game plan. And with the trainer, you have a game plan. You know what you're going to do when you get there. And that's what I love about it. And I use the trainer every single day, and I don't know what I would do without it. But I would highly recommend LadyBoss because it's not just about weight loss. It's also about, finding that self-love again and learning to have that self-confidence again. So I would definitely recommend LadyBoss.